Still freezing while your energy bills keep climbing? Today, we're breaking down the best gas furnace replacements that deliver powerful heating, better efficiency, and long-term savings for your home. Whether you're upgrading an old unit or replacing a failing system, this video will help you choose the right furnace for comfort and reliability. Check the link in the description below for the best prices and more details on each furnace we mention. Let's jump in. Popbee Furnace Upgraded Replacement Flame Sensor. Reliable heating performance starts with accurate flame detection, and this upgraded replacement is designed to restore safe furnace operation quickly. Built for high compatibility, it replaces a wide range of OEM part numbers and works seamlessly with popular furnace brands such as Goodman, Amana, and Kenmore. Its precision sensing capability helps eliminate common problems like short cycling, sudden shutdowns, or ignition failures after startup. Constructed using durable metal and ceramic materials, this flame sensor is engineered to withstand repeated heating cycles while maintaining consistent performance. The upgraded Ignitor design improves responsiveness and resistance to high temperatures, making it suitable for long-term use in residential gas furnaces. Weighing only 0.04 kilograms, it is lightweight yet sturdy enough for reliable installation. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal tools and time, which makes it ideal for DIY homeowners and HVAC technicians alike. User feedback highlights that the sensor works well as a direct replacement and offers excellent value when compared to single-unit alternatives. While some customers report mixed fit experiences and durability differences, many appreciate its ease of installation, accurate flame detection, and cost savings, especially with the convenience of a 3-pack replacement solution. Oyende Furnace Igniter Replacement. Consistent ignition is essential for dependable heating, and this replacement igniter is designed to address common furnace startup issues efficiently. Compatible with a wide range of mobile home and packaged gas furnace models, it replaces numerous part numbers, making it a versatile solution for many HVAC systems. The included ceramic wire nuts allow flexible wiring options when connectors differ from the original setup. Manufactured with heat-resistant ceramic and reinforced materials, the igniter is built to handle high temperatures during repeated ignition cycles. Protective foam packaging helps reduce the risk of damage during shipping, addressing one of the most common concerns with fragile igniter components. The compact design and lightweight construction make handling and installation easier. Installation typically takes only a few minutes and requires basic tools. Users simply remove the old igniter, splice or reconnect the wires, and secure the new unit in place. Customer impressions note that the igniter fits well in many compatible furnaces and resolves issues such as clicking noises, cold air output, or failure to ignite. While ignition performance receives mixed feedback from some users, many report proper functionality and smooth furnace startup once installed, appreciating the added packaging protection and included accessories. Robertshaw Furnace Hot Surface Igniter. Efficient furnace ignition depends on precise heating elements, and this wide-style hot surface igniter is engineered to meet original equipment standards. Designed for compatibility with many Carrier, Bryant, Payne, and day and night gas furnaces, it serves as a direct replacement for multiple OEM part numbers without requiring complex modifications. The igniter features a robust ceramic block with locating ridges for accurate positioning, ensuring proper alignment during installation. Its heating element is carefully sized to deliver consistent ignition performance, while the factory-style plug simplifies electrical connection. High-temperature ceramic wire nuts are included for additional flexibility if existing connectors are damaged or incompatible. Build quality emphasizes durability and precision, with materials selected to handle extreme temperature changes common in gas furnace operation. Customers frequently mention that installation is quick and straightforward, often saving significant money compared to purchasing parts directly from HVAC suppliers. User reviews praise its value and compatibility with older furnace models, especially the Carrier Weathermaker series. However, feedback on longevity and ignition reliability varies, with some users experiencing early failures, highlighting the importance of careful handling during installation. Improvedhand Hot Surface Furnace Igniter. Reliable temperature control begins with a dependable ignition source, and this replacement igniter is designed to restore proper heating performance. Compatible with a wide range of Rheem, Ruud, and Weather King furnace models, it replaces numerous part numbers, making it a flexible choice for homeowners and technicians alike. Manufactured from premium, heat-resistant materials, the igniter undergoes multiple inspections before leaving the factory to ensure consistent quality and performance. Its compact dimensions and lightweight build make it easy to handle during installation, while the included protective foam packaging helps minimize shipping damage. Installation is simple and time-saving, typically involving removal of the old igniter and reconnection using existing or porcelain wire nuts. Users report that it helps resolve issues such as inconsistent heating, burned-out igniters, and erratic furnace operation. Customer feedback highlights its affordability and ease of installation, though opinions on durability and long-term performance are mixed. Some users report extended functionality, while others note early wear. Overall, it is viewed as a cost-effective replacement option that performs well when properly installed and handled with care. Dusledel Universal Furnace Hot Surface Igniter. A universal ignition solution can simplify furnace maintenance, and this model is designed to work across a wide range of gas and electric furnace systems. Engineered for versatility, it offers compatibility with many popular furnace brands, making it a convenient option when an exact OEM match is unavailable. The igniter is constructed from durable silicon nitride, known for its excellent thermal conductivity and resistance to extreme temperatures. This robust material choice contributes to efficient fuel combustion and reliable ignition performance. Its plug-in design supports quick installation without specialized tools, making it accessible for both professionals and experienced DIY users. Weighing just under 3 ounces, it balances lightweight handling with solid build quality. Customers frequently praise its perfect fit, ease of installation, and value for money, especially when used in Lennox Merit furnace models. While performance is generally well received, some users express concerns about lifespan, reporting breakage after several months. Despite this, many appreciate its efficient ignition, included connectors, and universal compatibility, making it a practical replacement choice for many heating systems. OneTrip Duralight Furnace Igniter. Precision engineering and exact fitment are key factors in furnace ignition reliability, and this igniter is designed to meet those standards. Manufactured in the USA, it serves as a direct replacement for many Rheem, Ruud, and Weather King furnaces, eliminating the need for adapters or wiring changes during installation. Built from silicon carbide, the igniter delivers consistent heating performance while maintaining compatibility with older furnace systems. Its design replaces both Norton 201 and 271 igniter types, simplifying replacement decisions. A 2-year replacement warranty provides added peace of mind, reflecting confidence in its manufacturing quality. Installation is straightforward, often described as a simple 3-screw process. Customers appreciate how closely it matches original equipment specifications and how much money it saves compared to professional repair services. User impressions highlight excellent fit and reliable initial performance, especially in older furnaces. However, durability feedback is mixed, with some users reporting fragile elements that fail shortly after installation. When handled carefully, many find it an effective and cost-saving solution for restoring furnace operation. Popbee Gas Furnace Flame Sensor. Safe furnace operation relies on accurate flame monitoring, and this replacement sensor is designed to detect combustion reliably. It replaces multiple OEM part numbers and is compatible with various Luxair and York gas furnace models, making it a practical option for restoring heating functionality. Constructed from wear-resistant metal and ceramic materials, the sensor is built to withstand high temperatures and repeated use. Its precise measuring range ensures the furnace gas valve operates correctly, shutting off fuel supply if a flame is not detected. This contributes to both safety and efficiency within the heating system. Installation is simple and quick, requiring only removal of the old sensor and placement of the new one. Many users report improved furnace performance and restored warmth shortly after installation. Customer feedback highlights good value for money and solid build quality, though experiences with fit and longevity vary. While some users report long-lasting performance, others note early failure. Overall, it is considered an effective and affordable flame-sensing solution when compatibility is confirmed prior to installation. That's a wrap on the top gas furnace replacements you should consider. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description below for full details and the best deals. Stay warm, save energy, and make the right choice for your home.